What is the difference between a warm and a cool color? Well, it's pretty simple. It's actually not that it's not that simple. I get them confused all the time, so it's okay if you struggle too. Basically, a cool color has cooler colors, like it's colder. There's more blues typically, and a warm color has more reds typically. But you can have warm blues and cool blues, and you can have warm reds and cool reds. So don't just think that blue is cool, red is warm, because you can have both at the same time. It's just your red will have a little bit more purple, or it might be a little bit more orange, right? So that's where your cools and warms go through, and I will show you a couple of those. Say it's daytime, and I want you to look outside and notice the highlight. Does that highlight seem warmer or cooler? And does the shadow seem warmer or cooler? So in daytime and in daylight, your highlight's going to be warmer. So if you were just using blue and red, your highlight would be red and your shadow would be blue. Now, it's completely opposite when it's at night. You're going to have cool highlights and warm shadows.